programs are when you make an income from promoting a product or service, but not all are equal. Invent It For Me starts with a lower price and a higher commission. Let's learn how a single product could make you $4,740. Introducing Invent It For Me 3 Tiers Affiliate Program. The first tier, you sold 5 espresso coffee pots. One of the people you sold to is a YouTuber with 200,000 subscribers. Let's see what could happen.
Howdy all, this is Billy Bob Camper. I reckon you're probably a lot like me. You absolutely have to have your coffee in the morning. Well, you gotta go to inventitforme.com because they got some good prices. I saved myself $40.41.
Billy Bob Camper is excited. He doesn't have to search for a product, find a niche. Nor does he have to buy bulk, and saves on FBA expense. He sold 2,000 espresso coffee pots, and made $14,020. He also promoted the affiliate program, and 750 of his subscribers became affiliates of Invent It For Me, making a monthly income of $3,375. If Billy Bob Camper promoted the espresso coffee pot on Amazon, he would have only earned $4,520. This is great if you're Billy Bob Camper. Introducing Tier 2. As an affiliate of Invent It For Me, Tier 2 pays 7% and you would make $4,740. Plus you would have 2,000 members, 750 are affiliates, and a monthly income of $937.50. With Amazon you would earn nothing. Amazon does not have tier programs and a membership affiliate program. Invent It For Me is a membership site. You can become a member just to shop and start saving on products like the espresso coffee pot. It is free to join, and we offer free shipping, a personal profile, with free blogging and forums. Just check, no thanks, shopping only. Why become an affiliate? To make a passive income. We have a 3-tier affiliate program, which means you get paid on products you promote. And product promoted by the 3 different tiers. Understanding the tiers. Let's take a look at the 5 people who purchased the espresso coffee pots. One of them is your Aunt Kim. When Aunt Kim joined, she checked, shopping only. However, she loves the espresso coffee pot, and tells 2 friends about Invent It For Me, and the great deals. Kim's friends loved the espresso coffee pot also. They told their friends, and their friends told their friends. And so on. They all checked shopping only. None of them checked any of the affiliates options. This is the power of network marketing. By the end of the month, 75 people became members of Invent It For Me. All of these people were placed under Sierra's Tier 1 commission, which pays 20% of the retail price, because all of them checked shopping only. Only affiliates can make a commission. When someone joins Invent It For Me as an affiliate directly by you, like Billy Bob Camper, all of their members, affiliates, and products sold, your commission will be at the Tier 2 rate. This is also true when someone joins Invent It For Me as an affiliate from your Tier 2 group. You will receive a commission at the Tier 3 level from all of their members, affiliates, and the products sold by them. Becoming an affiliate is simple. When you sign up to become a member, check yes after free trial. There is no additional information needed, and you don't need to give us any of your credit card information. During the free trial period, you will receive a commission on products sold. Save time, become an affiliate with one simple transaction by pre-subscribing. Or register now, pay the $10 monthly dues, and receive a commission on your registered affiliate members. This is why Billy Bob Camper is so happy. He registered now as an affiliate, paid the dues, and so did his affiliates. These affiliates of Billy Bob Camper are affiliates in your Tier 2, and you also will receive a monthly income. Having a monthly membership is one of the most innovative ways to create a balanced income. Now, let's take you to another level. Sierra owns a business making hand-designed jewelry. She joins the business affiliate membership, which includes monthly animations, $200 value, manufacturer pricing, advertisement on Invent It For Me, with promo cards and links to her site. Here is one of Sierra's animated videos.
Hi, I'm Sierra, and welcome to C's Jewelry. It's time to get creating. Today I'm making a necklace for Brenda. Oh, that's a good idea. I think it's perfect! Time to go to the park and see Brenda. Hi, Brenda. Hi, friends!
Wow, Sierra, it is absolutely beautiful. I can't believe you charge only $25.
Thank you for watching my video and your continued support. You can find me on Instagram at Designs by C. And remember, my beauty starts at $25 with free shipping.
Sierra's video was a great success. She is now enjoying shopping at the manufacturer's pricing, which this pricing includes shipping and fees. However, only a business affiliate member can purchase items at the manufacturer pricing. Each month, create a new animation, which includes all of these add-ons. This is a $200 value. We will send you a $200 off coupon via email. After receiving this coupon, go to the animation page to order and create your video. Let's watch a video, Invent It For Me animations. Invent It For Me makes more than simple pasted animations. We can do basic whiteboarding with movement, sound effects, and music. Turn the basic whiteboarding into color. Or start with full color, add lip sync to a character, then narrate information or create a story. Once upon a time, there lived in a forest, a raccoon, a bird, a moose, and a bear. Each month, you can choose from 3 different perks. These perks are exclusively for business affiliates. The best value, the animation video coupon, which is a $200 value. Or choose a $50 promotional coupon from one of the business affiliates, like Designs by Z. Or choose a store product coupon at a $25 value. Our desire is to create a passive income, which is why we made the business affiliate membership a 3-tier affiliate program also. To become a business affiliate member, BAM, go to the affiliate page on Invent It For Me website. Wrapping it up. Everyone has a dream. Making your dream come true seems impossible. Most of us simply don't have the time, finances, or ability to accomplish our dreams. You think if only I can go viral. So you try Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and other social marketing. Only to find out there are thousands of people who do the same thing. So you look for a niche. Your dreams may be an invention, a business, or a service. Or you may simply want to be financially free. Unfortunately, most of us give up on our dreams. Going back to walking around like a zombie, doing the same thing day in and day out. Invent It For Me is a risk-free program. You can join for free. Become an affiliate for 1 month free. 85% of the store product profits go to the affiliate and tiers. Balance your income with a membership program, where 65% of the dues goes to the affiliate and tiers. Affordable $10 a month. Think about this. Instead of doing everything solely on your own, Invent It For Me is a community site, giving you an opportunity to piggyback on the super influencers on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and other social marketing platforms. Important information. Remember Aunt Kim, when she became a member of Invent It For Me. She checked shopping only. However, after hearing how much Sierra made, she decides to become an affiliate. Kim can become an affiliate at any time, but all of the members that she directly or indirectly sponsored prior to becoming an affiliate would remain with the affiliate member, directly or indirectly, that sponsored Kim. This would mean Kim would start over, promote products, finding members and affiliates. If Kim would have taken advantage of the free affiliate trial period when she joined, these members, affiliates, and product commissions would be hers. Business affiliate members purchase products at the manufacturer's pricing. This means you will not receive a commission for the products they purchase. To explain how this works, we will present a couple of different scenarios, using Billy Bob Camper as an example. Scene 1, everything is the same. You are an affiliate and so is everyone else. Scene 2, you are an affiliate, however, Billy Bob Camper and his affiliates became business affiliate when they signed up. The change here is the commission on the products they purchase. Scene 3, you are a business affiliate, prior to Billy Bob Camper and his affiliates. The change here is the commission on the monthly business affiliate. Important to understand. You must be a business affiliate, prior to your affiliates becoming a business affiliate, to receive a commission from monthly dues. This rule is exactly like the rule for affiliates, except it is on the memberships, not the products. Invent It For Me is a new innovative way to make a passive income. Because it is new, please be patient with us, as we expect to do updates on the site, information, and rules. This video does not represent all the rules. The examples of incomes are just that, examples. Thank you. Thank you for taking the time and watching this video. In closing, make a change, don't hope for it. Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. By Albert Einstein.